My topic is that CPU takes more time to access data from secondary storage as compared to primary memory. That is, at present we are talking about RAM, that is random access memory. This is a temporary memory, a volatile memory. That means when the light goes off, the data is erased, right? So whatever work that we are doing at present, we are doing it on the RAM, right? And whenever we are saving our work, that work goes to secondary storage device, that is pen drive or hard disk. Hard disk is the main secondary storage device. So that means everything that we are saving, it is going directly to the secondary storage device, and at present we are talking about hard disk, right? Now I will explain you that how there is the how the data is flowing from RAM to processing, that means the CPU, how the data is getting to the CPU, and what is the role of secondary storage device in this, okay? And why that the secondary storage device, it takes more time for CPU to access the data as compared to your primary memory, that is RAM. RAM will take some nanoseconds, so your secondary storage device, it will take more time as compared to RAM, right? Now example that I will give you, it will clear everything to you. Now in my example, I am taking a departmental store. Now let us assume that a departmental store is working like secondary storage device. We have huge storage amount in secondary storage device, and we also know that in your departmental store we have huge space where lots and lots of things are kept, right? Now at your home you have a pantry. Now in a pantry you keep all the things that you get for your monthly grocery things, okay? Your mother goes with you and to get the all the grocery item. Now kitchen is like a a processor, like a CPU. Kitchen works like a processing unit because all the processing is done in the your CPU only, right? Now what happens, as you know that pantry is in your house only, okay, maybe next to your kitchen. So understand it like this way, that since pantry is inside your house only, so if your mother wants something, or like when she's preparing something, so it will be so easy for her to get the things from the pantry because it is in a part of your house only. But if she wants something which is not there in the pantry, what she will do, she will go to a store, a departmental store or any other place, and for that she needs to go out of her house, okay? So definitely it will take more time for her to go to the store to get the things, right? So now the chain is like this, that if the CPU needs data, it will directly access the data from the RAM, right? And very less time it will take. But if it is taking the data from your secondary storage device, so there is a process that it needs to follow. That means first from the secondary storage device the things will come to the RAM part, because right, RAM part, and then from RAM, that is a pantry thing, then from there it will go to the processing part, that is the CPU part. The CPU will use it for processing. Now I'll show you this everything through my paper, and I'll show you the block diagram, so it will help you to understand it better, right? Now as you all can see my copy in front of you, now this is your secondary memory, okay? And like it is hard disk drive, okay? Now here we have RAM, that is pantry, and then we have CPU, that is your kitchen, and this is your departmental store. Now the data first, I have already told you that if CPU wants to access the data, it will obviously take the data from the RAM. That means if in your kitchen at your place your mother needs something, that she will move to pantry to get the things. And why? Because these two things, they are the part of your house only, okay? So it will take less time to access the things, okay? Now secondary storage device, it is like a departmental store. It is far away from your place, and whenever the data is accessed, it is first the data from the secondary storage device will come to RAM, and then from RAM it will move to the CPU for processing. So as you can see here, that very simple way I have explained you that since CPU is your kitchen, so taking data from the pantry is better, is more easy and faster, right? And if you see here departmental store, it will be taking more time to get the data, because as we know that the data from the secondary storage device will come to RAM first, and then it will move to the CPU. So with this example, you can easily understand how the data is being accessed inside the computer, right? The CPU part, which is like a kitchen, RAM part, which behaves like a pantry, and your secondary storage device, that is hard disk drive, which behaves like a departmental store. Thank you so much. I hope you understood this.